story of St. Patrick's Day began so long ago. The lyrics in this song will tell you all you need to know. The 17th of March is when this joyous holiday is celebrated happily with colorful parades. Patrick was only 16 when the pirates captured him. They sold him into slavery and took him to Ireland. He kept the faith and made his escape when he was 22, and made it back to Britain. 'Twas the only home he knew. Now Patrick had a vision to return to Ireland and vowed to teach Christianity until the bitter end. Legend says that Patrick used a shamrock to explain that the Father, Son and Holy Ghost are all in one the same. On this day the Irish dress in many shades of green, and some are feeling lucky with the leprechauns they've seen. It's music and fun for everyone, we'll party and we'll play. Come one, come all, come join along on this St. Paddy's Day.